Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. It's been a very long time since I've actually uploaded, and now I think it's time for me to make a comeback. You probably can't see me right now, and we all know why. I'm not gonna answer that, but hey, anyways. So, today's video, we have a lot of stuff we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's been a long time, so I have to update a lot. Long story short, that molded wide body 135i, yeah, it wasn't dealt with properly. So if I turn the camera around, we got no bumper Supreme Kia over there, and we have the messed up BMW 135i. So I have to start this from scratch all over again. Got the young man.
Alright.
Humble heights. Let's see if I zoom in on that. There you go. Humble heights. Look at that. Stay humble, guys. Got a zip right here. I'm actually doing a aero package from him. You guys can take a quick look. Jeez. Now, where are we going today?
Woo. We gotta get some brakes because this bitch is squealing like a mofo right now.
Need some brakes?
Fronts are good.
Look at that, guys. Carbon fenders.
Just replaced the e-brakes, so the e-brakes are good, but the pads
okay.
And we're gonna take it to main man Mike over at Kingsmen.
Well, let me just get your IG in that. So yeah, so we're gonna go to Kingsmen Kustom, guys.
You know.
Can you show us some like carbon dipping?
Oh hell yeah.
Same time? Okay, bless. So I'm gonna head over here and get my pants on. You already know. And then yeah, let's start this. Jeez, look at that carbon. Holy shit. Alright, so guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you guys can see, I've actually have the camera mounted on my windshield. It's actually crazy. So the video quality that you guys are gonna see is gonna be insane. Strap up, sorry for seat belts, sorry for seats. I will be changing them anyways, because not gonna lie to you. So my car has a lot of torque. So when I drive, like it does throw you back in your seat, and that actually weakened the seat bracket. So it's a bit weird. But anyways, so I got Supreme Kia down there. Reverse this. Oh no, down. Turn this. All right, let's head up. Now, zoom right there. Yo, wait. Let's see if you're gonna be in camera. You gonna be in camera? There you go.
Yeah.
So yo, where are we going today, fam?
We'll hit up Napa real quick.
Alright.
And then we'll touch Kingsman.
Sounds good. Where's Napa?
Napa over on Queen and Rutherford.
This is a Napa there?
Yeah.
Oh shit, alright. I'm behind you then. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's head out, guys. Who's that?
That's what's the movie title? I forget. Big Poppy on this.
Say word.
Yeah.
It's a nice E90, E92.
It is nice. It is nice.
Yeah, I see he has no exhaust. This guy running.
The red leathers.
Ventus Auto Works, guys. Don't get Ventus, get Team Elite Co Aero. You already know where it is. You see this little hole right there, guys. There's a little bend right there, guys. We got this. You already know. We got a front mount splitter right there. A bit too short. Hit up Team Nico. We have to see. We're at Napa.
It's a little tiny.
A little tiny. Little tiny. Over here we're about big aero things, you know, guys. Big aero, big aero. Does he work it?
Yeah.
Oh.
But he's a driver.
Huh?
He's a driver.
Oh, okay.
Down. Thanks,
All
boss.
right.
Have a good one.
Thanks. So, all right, so bought our brake pads. Bought our couch. There you go. Brake pad.
No more squeaky squeak.
I couldn't even hear it, to be honest.
It's not hot right now. It's cold.
See, that is how low my car will be when I get my coils, guys. That's how low. The same fitment too. My friend has the same fitment when you think about it. Other than the messed up front bumper and you know all the other foolishness.
It should be that low, bro. You're gonna scrape like crazy. If you go that low.
Yeah, that's what spinners for. It's supposed to save that.
Yeah, that's true. That's why
I can't take it enough, guys. Holy shit. That's so beautiful. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you if it's real or not, but just comment below and guess if it's real carbon or not. It's crazy though, guys. It's crazy. So, where are we heading to now? Mike shop?
Or you go grab some coffee real quick and then
Say no more. Tim Hortons, guys. You know Canadians. Alright guys, welcome back. We are at none other than Kingsmen Customs Brampton. I'll show you guys the address and all that. Let me just get my ice cap. Because you know. Canadian stuff, you know. Alright. Okay. Get my phone in the other hand. And yeah. So anyways, Kingsmen Customs Brampton. Location. Trim key right here. Store hours right there. Hydro, holy, oh my god, guys. So we have going on here. It smells like hella paint. Nicely well built. Let's see.
Alright.
You might be in the video?
So I don't mind.
Alright.
How you doing? I'm Rob. I'm the owner of this branch of Kingsmen Customs. Business partner is Michael Liu.
The good old Michael Liu.
Paint shop here.
What are you up to today?
I've got to type up an invoice for Mac that I haven't done yet. No, Zach's valve cover. See his valve cover?
Yeah, looks sick.
Oh, do you guys have that here?
No, he's already put it on his truck.
I was gonna say,
Don't worry.
because that looks sexy. Oh my
It
god.
was, you know what? I taped it off with a laser, and the lines are so sharp. Those little ribs are.
Yeah.
Came over.
I'm just gonna show you guys real quick the front area because they have some real nice hydro dipping there. So Mike should be coming here soon, but that's his business partner right there. So you guys want carbon for cheap. Let me show you guys. So hydro dipping is something crazy. Basically, all you do is I don't really know exactly how it works, but say you get like a piece of paper like this. Say this is like an engine part. It's like a tank. You dip this in the tank of like water, liquid, whatever it is. Take it out, and it ends up like this. So look at all these different stuff they have. So all this, you have kind of, can't tell what type of carbon that would look like, but Kevlar would be this one because Kevlar is the purple. You have brushed look. You have like a matte dry carbon look. So there's that one. Normally, if you want to have the realest look of carbon, you don't want to go with this because you would be able to, if it's dry, you'd be able to feel the ribs. But this is sexy, guys. Look at these. So this one has a little bit of gold flake in it. That's one of them. And we have the other one. This is the most realistic look of carbon, and you also have the hexagon looking carbon as well here. So this one's a different type of pattern. It's like a hexagon type. But you have this one and this one. These are definitely the craziest look. I can't even, it's so glossy, guys, but look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And I think this is theirs as well, and I'm pretty sure you hydro dipped all these pieces, so there you go. So that's what the carbon mirrors would look like. Right, so you can definitely tell it looks very realistic. Crazy, crazy. So we got a bumper here that I don't know what they're doing. Got some other stuff here, so that would essentially tell you that, hey, this looks like real carbon. And it kind of does. If I first look at this, actually it's a different type of pattern, so I wouldn't be able to know for sure. This one though, right? That's for t-shirts, I'm guessing. So this is a intake, I'm guessing, yeah, intake. And you can tell, right? You have red carbon valve cover here as well. Crazy work.
These critics.
Alright, so what are we doing right now? We're gonna carbon dip this parent piece, guys. So main point of the video is how to get cheap carbon items. So you put this carbon sheet into the water. We have some stuff there.
So the wire's rehydrating the film. And after that, I'm gonna spray a chemical called activator, which dissolves the film but leaves the ink. And it'll reactivate the paint that's already on these frames.
So that's the carbon sheet that he has. Humble Heights.
Cheers!
The guy that was in the vlog earlier.
Cheers!
Can I zoom in Humble Heights? Can I zoom in? Oh shit. There we go. Alright.
What am I gonna do? Yeah, I'm just...
Now guys, I have no idea what any of this means, but
So it's timing down. The film has to sit in the water for 1 minute.
oh. Oh shit. That's perfect. Look at
Nailed it!
just like that. So, what's this?
So it's a rinse tank.
Okay, so I gets rinsed. Oh shit.
The door is very slow, so...
Yeah.
And apparently it's not...
Alright, so he's gonna go ahead and rinse this off right now, and I'll show you guys the final process.
Boom, TV magic when it's closed. Trying to figure out what this guy said there's no timing, but he called. He's like, I know you guys are busy.
Oh yeah, I see the 3M. Good old 3M tape. That's the stick on and it goes back on.
That's crazy. Pretty much we're looking carbon for cheap, guys. So
Yeah.
that's pretty much it. Driven tomorrow, so I'm holding a video on Driven tomorrow. Gonna go with Mac.
Yo,
Driven tomorrow?
driven tomorrow. See you there.
So Driven tomorrow, and yeah, that's pretty much it.